Hi, we are John and Samantha. Welcome to our channel, Vintage RV Adventures. We bought our motorhome in July 2021, and with the help of a Rob the Builder, we have spent that time rebuilding the motorhome from what was a salvage wreck. This year, we're going to complete our motorhome project, and we will soon be on our way visiting some lovely parts of the UK, when we'll also take Shelby, our German Shepherd dog, along for the ride. So please do follow our journey. We look forward to having you along. Welcome to a new video, guys. Okay, so following on from that last one where we were doing some decorating, the decorating's continued. Rob finished this part earlier this week. So that's the this is in the bedroom area. Now I'll just pan round, and this has been done as well in the bedroom area, just that little bit there. There's a bit more to do on this side, isn't there, Rob? Here.
Yeah, we
just on that side
that we've actually got now, so we can finish that off. We've also done down this side as well, John, on the corner back there, where the laundry box is.
Do you know what? I never even saw that.
Yeah,
so
cool. That's been done as well, but there's a little bit more to be done on the corner, some meeting the tiles.
Brilliant. Okie dokie.
Okay, guys, we've now sealed the bed, and one of the issues we had was obviously stopping the bed from moving, and one of the suggestions I came up with was put some Velcro on the bottom of the bed. I didn't like the idea of that, so we panelled the side now, as you can see, but whilst I was paneling the side, I thought I might as well make some my word, wedgies to stop the bed from moving. Yeah. So we've got them now in all four corners.
That's a good idea,
this
isn't
one
it?
Here, we're still thinking about bringing the side panel up and creating one there as well to stop the whole thing from moving. But yeah, it works. It definitely works. There's no two ways about it.
Did you say with PVA'd this as well?
Yes, been sealed. All been sealed.
Yeah.
Underneath and at the base as well. So
cool.
Whether we're going to do, I don't know whether we're going to paint it, John, or not. I don't know whether it was a decision made whether we're going to paint it or were you going to just leave it as it is.
We'll probably
don't know yet.
Don't know. We'll probably will paint it. We've got the paint, so right. Okay, and there's a quick shot of the mattress in place with the newly decorated walls. Yeah, very good. Rob, how the hell are we going to get that piece of plywood in that boot?
Not this piece here. It might shrink a bit, John.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You got to bend up, mate.
It is bendable, but wow.
Yeah.
Let me think about it.
Okay.
Let me think about it.
There we go. Slight change of plan. There we go. That's how you get 8x4 sheet in the car. My favourite today, Robert, bacon sandwiches.
Ooh, crispy bacon sandwiches by the look of it. Nice.
Okay, Rob, job for the moment.
Yep.
We're going to install some under
some little spotlights.
Under lights there. Yeah,
they're going to come through the top of the cabinet.
Yeah.
You can see them. And there's
Okay,
a few more
on
at the
that
back that's
side.
got to be done as well, John.
On that side in the kitchen, yeah.
Whilst we're in the wiring mode, we might wire everything up and that's it completely finished. Okay, you on it?
Yep, cool. Thank you. Put that on through that one. And somehow.
Sweet.
Okay guys, so we've installed some of these little spotlights. This is in the kitchen area. We've got two there, on either side. You want to switch them on, Rob?
Yeah.
Look at that. So that's over the cooker hob and the sink. That looks really nice, doesn't it? That's well lit up.
As well. You can adjust them. Slightly you can adjust them as well.
Yeah.
I'm pointing down, but
so I bought these guys off eBay. What, about 6 months ago when we first started the project. I can't remember for the life of me what they cost. They weren't a lot of money. And they're nice little lights. When they came, we was a bit surprised, thinking, oh my god, they're tiny. But actually they work well. That they're only like 1 watt each. So at 12 volts, probably use about half an amp. Sorry, a 0.1 of an amp, a tenth of an amp, just over. So they're not going to use a lot of electricity at all off the batteries when we're out and about. So yeah, really pleased with them. We'll show you the others we've put in.
Yeah.
So the next light, little spotlight, is in the bedroom, in the main bedroom. So and this one has got a separate switch near the light, where the kitchen had got one on the wall for both lights. Do you want to have a go at that one, Rob?
Yeah, you talked about them being tiny, John. I mean, the switches are seriously tiny.
Yeah,
but it works perfect.
Nice little micro switch there as well.
Just for reading light more than anything else. Adjust it.
Yeah, so that's going to be over the bed, but it also gives us access to, well, light for the access panel for the electricity as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, cool. Very good. Right, we'll go down the back end and show you what we've done down there. Okay, so now we're at the back of the motorhome, and we've got one each side. So one above this bench seat, and then one in that corner over that bench seat. There we go. 2 little micro switches again, one on each side. So work well. They work independently, so you can have either side on. There we go, that one there. There we go. Lovely.
Nice little feature.
Again, that'd be nice if we're running low on battery power or something, and you don't want to run a lot of power.
The beauty of it, John, you've still got some light, haven't you?
Yeah. So they're only 1 watt each, so it should generate a little bit of light, just a little bit of subtle light of a night or something. So, very good.
Right, we've now installed the plywood for the bathroom, or toilet should I say, and the toilet's ready to go. It's all ready fixed, ready to go, painted, wall covering, don't know what we're going to do yet, but another room done. There's only the shower to do now, isn't it, John? Just a bit more plywood in the shower, and that's it. We're done with the plywood.
Yep.
So
Cool.
Happy days.
Okay, so this is the entrance into the motorhome, guys, and a little bit of a problem. We've noticed that as we're going in and out, either feet or tools or whatever, it's knocking the wallpaper. So we're going to have to put something to protect the entranceway there. So Rob's come up with a little idea, and over to Rob.
Okay, John said we obviously got a problem with the wall covering being damaged down here, and he said he wanted to put some skirting board up. So the solution I've come up with is to save some money as well at the same time, is to use some of this MDF and seal it when we put it down. But the beauty of it is we can use the MDF and curve it the same way we've curved the doors as well, and curve it down here, and we've created a base plate for any problems that might occur in the future. So that's easy enough painted. Problem solved. And the beauty of this, putting this baseboard on as well, is it solves another problem that I come across, which was the lip on this step here. So when we put the baseboard on, as you can see, we just pipe 5mm ply down there, which we fitted in, and it brings it nice and flush. So it solved 2 problems. Okay, so what we've done is rounded the edge off, the same as what the cupboards are as well. And what we're going to do is paint this grey to match in with the wall, so it doesn't stick out. You could do it white, but I think grey would look a lot better. We're going to spray the edge across there, and because we put the paper on already and didn't realise it was going to cause a problem, what we're going to do is fix through the face and then paint that grey as well, and then put a very fine bead of silicone around the edge there to seal the whole thing.
Rob is just temporarily fixing this panel onto the wall so it doesn't keep falling over as we're walking past it.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay guys, this is what we was talking about yesterday. I had a problem here where there was a little bit of an infill. Now we've put this baseboard on, we've got hardwood against the back here, which is going to be siliconed in as well, and then it can be painted, or we're going to put some sort of trim over the top of it. But you can now see it's a nice flush finish, and we just bring round the trim for the door to come round there. So it's solved 2 problems, which is absolutely brilliant.
And where the TV is going to go, we've put some white edging around that little alcove just to tidy it up, and there's a nice little strip there on the edge of the toilet room just to protect it when we're walking past. We're obviously going to put some more of that around, but we need to get some more. We're running out. There's another one here just to protect the edge.
Okay guys, another good week that we've had in the RV. We got quite a bit done as well. Finished off one more room again, which is the toilet. The only room we've got now to finish off is the shower room. Got some trims up on the wall. It's seriously coming together. Put some underlighting on as well that John's mentioned previously in the video, but it looks superb. It really does. Next week, guys, we've got some work, or I've got some work elsewhere. So we may struggle to get a video out to you next week. We're not leaving you, we're not doing anything like that. We just have got work to do. So yeah, we're going to still be here, and there's going to be content, plenty of content coming through. So please stick with us, guys, and please support us as much as you possibly can. And I hope you enjoy this video as well.
Cheers, guys.
So take care.
Take care.